Hi, this is a short demo on XBRL Auto Generator tool. The starting component of this tool is an executable jar file. What this jar file does is it analyzes the XBRL taxonomy and generates three things: a data model, power center workflows to read and write XBRL instance files into the data model, and Informatica data transformation services used by these workflows. Let's go ahead and execute the jar file. This is how our GUI looks like. Provide all the input fields like taxonomy directory, output directory where you want to generate your code, and click on generate. As you can see, the output has been generated successfully. These are all the files that were generated. Next is we run these DDL scripts that contains definition of all the facts and dimension tables present in our data model, and we load it into our database. This is how our data model looks like. These are some of the fact tables like nature of reporting, columns like accounting framework, reporting level, balance sheet, and various other fact tables, and some of the explicit dimension tables like accounting portfolio, accounting standards, etc. Next is we import these workflows into our Power Center. So the workflow got imported successfully. This is how our Power Center mapping looks like. We have a source where we read data from XBRL instance file. We process this instance file through UDT transformation, and we load all the facts and dimension tables of our data model. Next is we run this workflow. As you can see, the workflow has succeeded. Let's go and check the database if data has been populated. Here you can see the balance sheet table. The data has been populated in each of the columns. For each XBRL instance file we load, there is a batch ID that is generated, and we can run the workflows again and again to load as many instance files. To track the corresponding batch ID for each of the instance file names, there is a table called instance batch details where you can find the corresponding file name with the batch ID. Next is we can also generate the XBRL instance file reading from this data model. For this, we run the second workflow that was generated. So the workflow is running. So the workflow succeeded. Let's go to the output location and see if the file was created. There you go. The file was generated. You can run this workflow as many times to generate as many XBRL instance files you want. So that's it. That's all I have. Thank you.